What's up? It's July 5th, 2026, and we're here at Bridgewater Commons Mall. Let me give you a little view of the front part right here. It's 3:33 p.m. and we're going to be walking around the Bridgewater Commons Mall today. So it is the day after the 4th of July. Let me give you a little weather check. Let's do a little weather check here. 87 degrees, pretty cool. It's busy over here, so I really can't stand in front of the sign too long. Let's see. Maybe I can right here a little bit. There's cars that keep coming out. So we're gonna do a little side view there. There's the Bridgewater Commons Mall sign. I could stand on the grass way across the street, but it's just not worth it, actually. So this weekend has been such a washout. I mean, we're talking thunderstorms like crazy, and it just wasn't like much of an outdoor 4th of July eventful weekend this weekend. So here we are at the mall. There's chances of thunderstorms, like 4 hours of chances of thunderstorms, like who knows. So it's a good mall day. The plan yesterday was to hit up Jersey City, but oh man, it just looked so hard to get into there to do some videos for the 250 year anniversary Macy's fireworks and all of that. So we didn't make it over to Jersey City yesterday. But yeah, it's the July 4th weekend, 2026, 250 year anniversary of America. So that's pretty wild, right? And we're gonna walk around the Bridgewater Mall today and see how it is today. It's kind of a mall day. Asbury Park was on the actual itinerary. That's really where I wanted to go today. So Asbury Park will be coming kind of soon. I have a new extender handle on LBG, our little big guy, Pocket 3 camera. He's sticking out quite a bit. So I am trying to adjust this thing to be comfortable here. So this is the first time using this, and when I use new equipment, I like to mention it because it's new and we don't know what to expect sometimes. Hopefully this thing does do a good charge if we need it. I'm also kind of testing it out at the same time. And we're gonna walk around the mall. Hopefully we don't attract too much attention. In the mall, you don't want it to have the cameras up too high and that kind of stuff. You know, you want to be chill. So if people do start like looking at the camera, then you know that's kind of the reason why, sometimes because people can see the camera a bit more, you know. So that's kind of it. But yeah, let's stroll. Let's go. Thanks, man. Cool, thanks. Oh, it's so nice and cool in here. Oh, it feels great in here right now. Let's go. So this part of the mall is usually pretty slow. Like, there's more people that are upstairs usually. It's a nice place. This is a nice mall. It's so cool in here. The temperature feels great. I'm gonna raise the bag a little bit here for a little big guy. There we go. let's see, we're gonna go, there's Sephora right there. We have a crepes place right here. I don't know why it's all dark over here for some reason. It's a little darker over here. Okay, so far so good here with Big Guy. Little Big Guy. Pocket 3 camera. Alright, so what we're going to do is take a walk upstairs. Let me make sure Big Guy's set up okay. We look alright as far as I know. Alright, let's stroll upstairs. Boom. Yeah, when you come up here, it's more lively. On the second floor, third floor, and all of that. So let's stroll over this way. So we have all kinds of cool stuff here. Cotton On, Athleta. Let's check out the mall view here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. We got cool spots here. We got a lot of stuff going on around here. Okay, let's go this way. I'm kind of just figuring out which side to go to. So we'll go over this way right now. Take a stroll over through here. Let's go over this way.
Charge it for this?
With the little Big Guy. Take a view of the mall right here. Check this out. Super nice. Let's just walk around randomly. Uncle Julio's Mexican restaurant right here. Check this out. Very cool. I really love it. Look at this. It looks like a table. All the different wood textures. Wow. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so let's stroll this way.